This is the HP Ink Tank Wireless 415 all-in-one printer. It is able to print at high volumes for an extremely low cost per page. So let us do the unboxing of this printer and find out what it is capable of. First, let us remove the printer from the box. These are the items in the box: setup poster, a CD software, a setup start here guide to prepare your printer, some user manual, and repacking instructions. It also comes with two printheads, which is the HP Jet GT printhead, one for the black and one for the tri-color. Let's put this away. Besides the setup guides, the setup posters, and the cartridges, there's also a box at the back. Let's see what is inside this box. So it consists of a USB cable as well as a power cable. And over here we've got the bottles of ink for this printer. Let's put this away. Next, let us remove the printer. Leave out the printer and you can take away the two foams at the sides. And this is the printer. So this is the printer that we have just removed from the box. Let's remove the plastic wrapping. Simply make a tear in the plastic and you can remove the plastic from the printer. Next, remove the tapes. Remember to remove the keyboard. Close this back. You can remove the rest of the plastic. Next, we can power up the printer. Plug in the power cord into the wall sockets, and for the other end, plug it into the rear of the printer as shown. To power on the printer, press the power button on the printer. The printer will now power on. Next, let us remove the ink bottles from the packaging. So there's the black, cyan, magenta, and the yellow ink bottles. Okay, notice that it is shrink wrapped. So again, simply take a knife and just cut open and remove the bottle. Besides using a knife, you can also tear open as shown. After removing the ink bottles, it is now to fill up the tank. Do note that the ink bottles have the following capacity as follows. For the black is 135 ml, for the cyan is 70 ml, same for the magenta as well as the yellow. Taking the black ink bottle, you need to unscrew and remove the seal that is on the bottle. Gently peel off the seal. And replace the cap. Once that is done, you can open the cap. Let's put this aside. Next, open the ink tank lid and remove the plug for the black. Take the black ink bottle and turn the bottle upside down and place the black ink bottle over the tank spout. You will now start filling up, and you can see from this transparent window that the ink is actually flowing into the ink tank. Take note that you can only fill up to the mark indicated. Do not overfill the ink tank. That's about it. Unplug it and close back the cap for the ink bottle. And remember to plug back the plug for the black ink tank. So this is how you fill up the ink tank. Do the same for cyan, magenta and yellow ink. Next, let us install the printheads. So this is the black printhead that came with the printer. You can tear open here to remove the printheads. Do the same for the tricolor printheads. Tear open here. After removing the printheads from the packaging, you need to pull the orange tabs straight up. Then you remove the tape from the printhead using the pull tabs. Be careful not to touch the printhead or even the contacts. Do the same for the tricolor printhead. Gently pull using the pull tab. With the printer powered on, open the exterior door as well as the printhead access door. You'll notice that the carriage is in the center. Ensure that the blue latch is up. If it's in this position, you need to press it down so that it will be in the up position. Next, take the black printhead and slide it into the right carriage as shown. Until it snaps in place. Do the same for the tricolor printhead. Slide it in at an angle and push it all the way in. Once the black and tricolor printheads are installed, push down the blue latch tightly. Now, do not open the blue carriage latch after the printhead installation unless you are installing new printheads or moving the printer long distances. Then you can close the printhead access door as well as the exterior door. When the printhead access door is closed, you will notice that there is a blinking P on the control panel. Next, let us load paper into the printer. Lift up the input tray and slide the guide all the way to the left as shown. Take a small stack of plain paper and load it into the input tray. Then slide the blue guide all the way to the right. Next, let us do an alignment of the printheads. Aligning the printheads is necessary to get the best print quality. After the alignment, the printer begins the process of priming the ink system. The alignment starts when the blinking P becomes a blinking A. First, let us extend the output tray and lift up the tray extender. Then, on the control panel, press the resume button for 3 seconds. You will notice that the blinking P becomes a blinking A. The printer is now printing the alignment page. This is the alignment page. Let us scan the alignment page as per the instructions shown over here. First, lift the scanner lid and then place it face down as shown. Then you close the scanner lid and on the control panel, press the Start Copy Color button.
The alignment is complete when the A becomes a 0.
The printer will now prime the ink system.